Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel UPSC with Secretary. Now I'm going to suggest you regarding about a tourism place which is in West Karbi. A newly developed place in Baithalangso, West Karbi for nature lover tourists. If you love nature, please then put this place in your travel packets. Available activities: trekking, swimming, fishing, mounting, beach games, bird watching, ethnic village walk and many more. You can book your cottage or tents for night stay. Visit as soon as possible and feel the nature. For booking, call at 700-2716-739. I repeat, 700-2716-739.